Welcome back, everyone, and if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you too. Have you ever created a document with a cover page and a table of contents, but then struggled because the page numbers start from the very first page instead of where your actual content begins? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to insert page numbers starting from a specific page in Microsoft Word. This is such a simple trick, but it makes your documents look so much more professional, so let us get straight into it. Okay, so here I have my document open. As you can see, I have a cover page, followed by a table of contents, and then my introduction page begins right after that. I don't want page numbers to appear on my cover page or table of contents. I only want the numbering to begin from the introduction page onward. To do this, I first click right at the very beginning of the introduction page, then I go to the Layout tab at the top, click on Breaks, and select Next Page. This creates a section break which allows me to treat this part of the document separately from the pages before it. Now I move down to the bottom of the introduction page and double-click to open the footer area. Inside the footer, I will see an option called Link to Previous. I click on that to unselect it. This step is very important because it disconnects this section from the previous one, meaning whatever numbering I apply here will not affect the cover page or table of contents. Now I go to the header and footer tools, click on Page Number, then Bottom of Page, and choose a numbering style that I like. I'll go ahead and select this one right here. Since this is a new section, the page number might not start from 1 just yet, so I click on Page Number again, then Format Page Number, and under Start At, I set it to 1. I click OK, and then close the header and footer view. And now look at this. The introduction page is officially page 1. If I scroll back up to the cover page, there is no page number here at all. Same with the table of contents, completely clean. And starting from the introduction page, we have page 1, then page 2, page 3, and so on, continuing perfectly through the rest of the document. And that, my friends, is exactly how you insert page numbers starting from a specific page in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial like this one. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the very next video.